new fabrics. I hope you all know I love fabrics. Let me show you some of these. So I'm getting ready for the sew-along. Tomorrow night we have a sew-along. 423 is the blouse. It's a flip-over blouse with a tank underneath. So I'm showing you all these different options. I've never made it with a tank underneath that's a different color, but I'm going to. And I think this would be beautiful to make this the tank. This is 100% silk. So you only need like a yard. And then look at this. Make this the actual blouse with a knit sleeve. Would that be beautiful? Like a little blouse, a little soft blouse over that tank. Oh my goodness, I just think that'd be beautiful. So that's 100% silk. This is 100% linen. I stretch in both directions. It feels just so soft. It's just incredibly soft. The drape is wonderful. It's got a beautiful drape to it. It's really a beautiful piece of fabric. Same with this. You could put this under it if you didn't want the silk. This blends beautifully with this. This is 100% viscose, has stretch in both directions. You can see it's just a beautiful piece of fabric, beautiful drape, just wonderful. Then I have a black one, the 423. Mine is completely black, and I wear it all the time with jeans. I throw it on all the time. So I wanted to put up a beautiful black. This is a gauze. It's 100% cotton. It's very lightweight, very beautiful piece of fabric, great drape. It would make a beautiful, beautiful blouse. Or you could even put a little something tank underneath just to make some glitz. So I wanted to show you this. This is a cotton poly, beautiful, just a contemporary piece of fabric. And then this last one, I thought the whole thing could be this beautiful cream. It's an ivory, it's kind of a off-white milk. Stretch in both directions, is 100% linen. Just again, a beautiful piece of fabric. It's just like the wine here, but a different color. But the fabric, the feel, it's so soft, it's incredible. All right, that's it. We've got special pricing on everything today and tomorrow. The goal, you know it. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.